Good morning, students. Today we'll continue on the same chapter, that is chapter number 11, problems on measurement. In our add, now in our today's lecture, we are going to learn about the subtraction. So let's start with the example sum. As you will understand the example sum, we will start with our problems. Now there are example sums which are related to the subtraction. The first question it is given 7 liter 150 milliliter minus 2 liter 500 milliliter. See, sums are same. Instead of addition, you are going to do the subtraction. Only little steps has been changed. Now here 7 liter should subtract 7 liter 150 milliliter should subtract from 2 liter 500 milliliter. Now what are the units over here? Tell me what are the units here? यहाँ पे यूनिट क्या है? Yes, I have told you about the unit. I have explained you. Yes, very good, Samyak. Here the units are liter and milliliter. So you have to make the table. In that there should be 2 columns and 5 rows. See, all the things are same only. Only little things will change. So here we'll write first. Okay. Now first we are going to write liter and milliliter. There should be 2 columns. Okay. Now next what we will write? We'll leave the one box. We'll leave the one box. Then same 7 liter 150 milliliter 2 liter 500 milliliter. Then subtract. From room number 105. See here, now we have to subtract 150 from 500. What we have to do? We have to subtract from 150 500. So here we cannot subtract what we are not going to subtract 150 from 500. What will be the method here? See, what you are going to do? You are going to cut this liter. This 7 liter will convert here into 6 liter. As we have to give to this 150, so it will become 1150. See here, the method, only what you have to do, you have to subtract from 7. 7 में से 1 देना है, so it become 1150. If we have given from 7 1, what will remain? 6 will remain. Clear here? What you are going to do? You are going to give 1 to the milliliter, and liter will be up from 7, it becomes 6. So here 1150 should subtract from 500. Now 0 minus 0 will become 0. 5 minus 0 will become 5. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 will become 6. And 6 minus 2 will become 4. So what is our answer? Our answer is 4 liter 650 milliliter. In this way, you are going to do the subtraction sums. Clear, everyone? It's very easy. We can't subtract 500 milliliter from 150 milliliter. We have to convert this 1 kg into 1000 gram. As I was explained the note that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So 150 will become 1150. Then here लीटर में से 1 लीटर वहां दिया तो यहाँ कितना बचेगा 6 लीटर. So from 6 we have to subtract 2, and from 1150 we have to subtract 500. So in this way we are going to do the subtraction sums. Okay. Now copy down this example sums in your notebook, and then we'll start with our problem set. Now problem set 46, our question number 2. First question is rupees 19.50 paise minus rupees 12.60 paise. See here, the question is 19 rupees 50 paise and 12 rupees 60 paise से हमको subtract करना है. Things doesn't change, only we have to write down all the things in the table, then we have to solve it. Now here there are rupees and paise units, so we'll write over here rupees RS and paise P. Then we'll leave one line for the cutting parts. Then 19 rupees 50 paise, 12 rupees 60 paise. Then minus, so continue our sum. Now 50 minus 60 we can't take, so we have to borrow from rupees, because 1 rupees is how many paise? 100 paise. So here we will carry here, so it becomes 150. It become 150 and 19 will become 18. 19 will become 18. As we know that 1 rupees is how many paise? 1 rupees is 100 paise. तो हमने वहां पे 1 दे दिया, 100 दे दिया, तो it become 150 and 19 में से 1 दिया, तो it become 18. Now we have to do the subtraction जो हम लोग हर बार करते हैं. 0 minus 0 will become 0. Then 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 will become 9. And 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12 karo. Yeah, 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 will become 6. 1 minus 1 will become 0. So here how many rupees and how many paise? So here is 6 rupees and 90 paise. How many? 6 rupees and 90 paise. It's very easy. We are taking from rupees 1 rupees from 100 paise. So we have to give to that paise. So it become 50 1 gaya 150. And as we give from 19, it become 18. Clear everyone? Okay, note it down in your notebook fast. Now second question, it is of centimeter and millimeter. Second question is 24 centimeter 2 millimeter minus 3 centimeter 8 millimeter. Now here the units are our centimeter and millimeter. So we'll start with our sum. Now you people will tell me and I am going to write it down. Now here I'll write centimeter and millimeter. Now the next step would be 24 and 2. Then 3 and 8. Clear? Chalo. Now start telling me. Now what I will do from 2. From 2 8 is going? No. So centimeter and millimeter. So 1 centimeter is how much millimeter? First tell me you. 1 centimeter is how much millimeter? Yes, 1 centimeter is how much millimeter? Yes, 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. As I was explained this, 1 centimeter hota hai 10 millimeter. That means from 24 we'll give 10 to here. So 10 का क्या 2 का क्या बनेगा? 2 will become 12 and 24 will become 23 because we have given 10 to this, so it become 12. Now 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is how much? Because we have to subtract na, subtraction hai. So 12 minus 8 is very good. 12 minus 8 is 4 and 23 minus 3 is 23 minus 3, very good. 23 minus 3 is 20. So what is our main answer? Our main answer is 20 centimeter 4 millimeter. What is our main answer? 20 centimeter and 4 millimeter. See, it's very easy sums. Okay. Chalo. Now write it down fast, everyone, in your notebook. Now third sum, I'll only read the question and you will do in your notebook, and afterward you are going to tell me the final answer. Now third question is 20 meter 30 centimeter minus 17 meter 60 centimeter. चलो ये टाइम स्टार्टेड, 1 मिनट में आपको ये सम्स कंप्लीट करना है एंड यू आर गोइंग टू लेट मी नो द आंसर्स इन द चैट बॉक्स ओनली. चैट बॉक्स में मैं आपका आंसर्स देखूंगी. So many of the students have given me the right answer, and the student who has done little mistake, I have told to redo and just check. The answer is 2 meter 70 centimeter. Just cross check the answers with those student who has done little mistake. It is 2 meter and 70 centimeter. Clear everyone? Okay. Now we'll move for the next practice set, and it is totally related to our word problem. It is totally related to our word problem. Now let us see one by one the word problem also. It's very easy. You have to understand the questions. आपको क्या करना है? आपको सिर्फ questions पे ध्यान देना है. As you know the questions, you know the method of addition as well as subtraction. Then that only you have to follow it. Clear? Here in word problem you have to understand the question. Question में क्या पूछा है और उसी हिसाब से आपको उसका answers find out करने हैं. So we'll start with our word problem, that is practice set or problem set 47. First question, problem set 47, first question. Now the first question is, for his birthday, Ajay gave 20 liter 450 milliliter of milk to the children in the ashram shala. See, Ajay ka birthday tha, so he has given milk to the children in ashram shala. How much milk he has given? 20 liter 450 milliliter. Then what happened? Then 28 liter 800 milliliter to the children in an orphanage. Orphanage में भी उसने कितना मिल्क दिया? That is 28 liter 800 milliliter. Now how much milk did Ajay donated? See, statement में क्या आया? How much? All together, all. If this type of statement is coming, what you have to do? You have to add the following things. Clear? So here Ajay ka birthday tha. In his birthday, he has distributed milk. First, he has distributed 20 liter 450 milliliter of milk to the ashram shala. Then 28 liter 800 milliliter to the children in an orphanage. Now total, it asks you how much milk did Ajay donated. Ajay ने total कितना milk donate किया. Now it is our statement sum, but we know that it is an addition. No, addition के लिए मैंने आपको अभी ही बताया. In the previous lecture only we have done the addition. So let's start with our sum. Now here there should be two columns of liter as well as milliliter, because it is given, the unit is given of liters and milliliters, so there should be two columns of liter and milliliter. Now same 5 row and 2 column. Next what we will write? Next we'll write the number. So I have written already 20 liter 450 milliliter plus 28 liter 800 milliliter. But here 20 liter 450 milliliter ये कहाँ पे डोनेट किया था उसने? कहाँ पे किया था? Now tell me where he was donated the 20 liter 450 milk. Yes, yeah. He was given this liter of milk to the children in ashram shala. So we have to write it down. Statement है तो हमको यहाँ पे statement लिखना है. children in ashram shala. Clear? So we have to write statement in front of 20 liter 450. What was? That was the children in ashram shala. Next is 28 liter 800 meter. ये milliliter. ये कहाँ पे दिया था उसने? Children in, where he was given? Children in orphanage. Orphanage में दिया था उसने. So we have to write this statement. See, each and everything should be written. Orphanage. Now what they ask how much? How much milk did Ajay donated? तो यहाँ पे next statement क्या होगा? Milk, total milk donated. Total milk donated. Clear? Now same thing we have to add 450 to 800 milliliters. See, I have added over here 450 milliliter plus 800 milliliter. Now what it become? It become 1250 milliliter. As we add 450 plus 800, we got 1250 milliliter. Now this we have to convert into liter as well as milliliter. So कितना होगा? 1 liter and 250 milliliter. Clear? See, all the things are that only. Only what we have added the statement because it is a statement sum. Nothing has been changed. As whatever we have done in the addition, that same thing we are going to do here. Only our statement we have to write it down. So as we know that it is 1 liter and 250 milliliter, see this 250 we will write over here and this one will carry over here. Up मैंने जो carry किया है, so we will add 0 plus 1 it become 9 and 2 plus 2 it become 49. So total how many liter and milliliter of the milk Ajay donated? Ajay donated 49 liter 250 milliliter milk. कितना डोनेट किया था उसने? In his birthday he donated, Ajay donated 49 liter 250 milliliter of the milk. Clear everyone? In this way we are going to do the statement sum. सिर्फ आपको क्या समझना है? आपको पहला statement समझना है कि वो addition है कि subtraction है कि multiplication है. So all the 4 operation will be done here: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division by understanding the question first. And rest all the things are same, only we have to add one thing, that is our statement. Under the rural cleanliness mission, college student clean 1 kilometer 750 meter of a village road. See, college students ने क्या क्या clean किया? How much they have cleaned? They have cleaned 1 kilometer 750 milliliter of a village road. That is 2 kilometer 575 millimeter long. रोड कितना बड़ा था? 2 kilometer 575 meter road was long. From that they have cleaned 1 kilometer 750 meter. Now what you have to find out? How much remain to be clean? कितना बच गया clean करने के लिए? Now बच गया मतलब what we have to do? We know that बचा means it is a subtraction. So we have to use the subtractions on measurement. But it is word problem, so we have to write down the statement also. So what will be our statement? We'll see first. But here there should be 2 columns, kilometer and meter. 2 kilometer 575 meter. It was the length of the road. Road कितना बड़ा था? इतना बड़ा था. So here we'll write length of road. Yes, length of road was 2 kilometer 575 meter. Now boys ने कितना clean किया? Boys ने 1 kilometer 750 meter they have cleaned. Who have cleaned? College student. So we'll write college student clean. How much they clean? They clean 1 kilometer 750 meter. Now what was the last statement? How much remain to be clean? कितना बच गया clean करने के लिए? So we'll write over here in the statement remain to be clean. कितना बच गया clean करने के लिए? That we'll write over here. So what is the subtraction method? We have to cut from kilometer 2 and take 1 over here because 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So we have to cut here 2. We have to take here, it become 1575 and from 2 it become 1. So 5 minus 0 will become 5. 7 minus 5 will come 2 and 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 will become 8. 1 minus 1 will become 0. So what is remain to be clean? What is remain to be clean? It was only 825 meter has not been clean. So what is the last statement here? Here the last statement is 825 meter remain to be clean. Clear everyone? So in this way we will find out, as we know the question, we will understand what should be done over there is plus or else subtraction. Clear everyone? So note it down fast in your notebook. Now we'll start with the fourth sum. If half a liter of milk costs 22 rupees, how much will 7 liter cost? See here the question is given, अगर आधा लीटर मिल्क 22 रुपीज में है तो 7 लीटर का दाम क्या है? What is the cost of 7 liter milk? Now we can see over here. First of all, they have told about the cost of half liter of milk. Now, what is the cost of half liter of milk? That is 22 rupees. See here, it is given 22 rupees. So that will be our first statement. Cost of half a liter of milk will be 22. Now, if half liter is 22, आधा लीटर अगर 22 में है, तो 1 लीटर कितना का होगा? 22 का डबल. Yes. What will be the 1 liter milk? 1 liter milk will be 22 double. That means 22 should multiply by 2. It become 44. 22 twos are. 22 twos are is what? 44. 1 liter milk का कॉस्ट कितना मिला हमको अभी? 44 liter. What we have to find out? We have to find out the cost of 7 liter of milk. If we know the cost of 1 liter milk is 44, easily we know that the cost of 7 liter of milk will be 44 should multiply by 7 because we know 1 liter cost is 44. We have to know the cost of 7 liter of milk. Now what we will do? We'll multiply 44 by 7. Now 7 fours is how much? 7 fours is 28. Now 7 fours are 1 more time, 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 2, it becomes 30. So what is the cost of 7 liter of milk? So therefore the cost of 7 liter milk is 308. 7 liter milk का cost कितना हुआ? 308. So whatever is given here, that you have to listen it properly and you have to write it down. Yes. Now next sum is question number 8. Now here what is given? During cleanliness week, children clean the public park in their town. Now there was a week that was cleanliness week. In that what they have done, the children have cleaned the public park in their town. They collected 3/4 kilogram of plastic bag. See here what is given? 3/4 kilogram of plastic bag and 5.5 kilogram of other garbage. Other garbage, how much? 5.5 kilogram. Now, how much garbage did they collected in all? See, as we see in all ayah, that means it is an addition sum. But here, what is given? Here, quarter, half is given. That also I have explained you in the previous lecture, that the previous chapter, that was decimal fraction. याद रखो, decimal fraction हमने किया था. On that base only these sums are there. Here, 3/4, half is given, so we have to convert that into numbers only. Other things are not changed over here. So let us see with our sums. See, now here what we have to start with our statement, because weight of a plastic bag collected by children. Children ने कितना plastic bag खरीदा collect किया था? It was 3/4. It was given 3/4. 3/4 means how much? See, 3/4. Now 3/4 gram means how much it will come? How much it will come? 3/4. Yes, it will come 750 gram. Clear? See, quarter means 250, then 250, then 250. If we add 3 times 250, because वो 3 बन जाएगा, so what will become? It becomes 750 gram. So what is our first statement? Weight of a plastic bag collected by children is 750 gram. Clear? Okay. Now next what they told? They told that other garbage कितना था? 5.5. Other garbage was 5 and half. Now 5 means 5, half means half gram means it is 500 ग्राम. आधा किलो मतलब 500 ग्राम. कितना होता है आधा किलो मतलब 500 ग्राम. So here will be 5 kg 500 gram. So the next statement, what we have to write it down? We have to write it down. Weight of other garbage collected by the children is 5 kg 500 gram. Now we have to know that how much in all they have asked, so that will be total garbage collected. Total garbage collected, we have to add it 750 and 5 kg 500 grams. See, as we add 5 plus 0 plus 0, see 750 plus 500. हमारा वही step what we have done in the addition. 0 plus 0, see 0 plus 0 will become 0. Then 0 plus 5 will become 5. Then 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 will become, yes, 7 plus 5 will become 12. Now how we will write? 1 kg 250 gram. Clear? 1 kg 250 gram. That means 1 we should add over here and 250 will write over here. So 5 plus 1 will become 6. So altogether how much they have collected? Altogether they have collected 6 kg 250 gram. So the last statement would be, therefore they collected 6 kg 250 gram of garbage in all. उन लोग ने पूरा कितना collect किया? That we have to do. What happened here? What is given here? Half kg, then 3/4 is given. That we have to convert into numbers. Half kg means 500 gram. Quarter अगर आता तो quarter means quarter means 250 gram. But here it is given 3/4 means 250, 3 bar plus क्या? We'll get 750 gram. And then we have done the sum. Okay. So copy down this sum.